are you ready for an epic showdown? Because today, we're rediving into the world of superheroes, where the Avengers take on a mysterious villain named Umbra, who unleashed the storm of shadows upon the city. It's a battle of light versus dark, hope versus fear, and only the combined powers of Earth's mightiest heroes can save the day. But will they be able to do it? Let's find out. It was a day just like any other until a strange black cloud formed over the city, covering the bright blue sky and blotting out the sun. From it poured strange shadow creatures that flew and floated down to the streets below, draining the light and energy from everything they touched. People screamed and ran for cover as these shadowy monsters seemed to grow stronger with each passing minute. But there was no need to worry, because help was on the way. Iron Man, Captain America, Hulk, Thor, and Black Widow were on their way to investigate. As the Avengers arrived, the storm grew even stronger, almost as if it was alive. The wind whipped around them, trying to push them away. But these superheroes weren't about to give up. Not when innocent people's lives were in danger. Thor, god of thunder, raised his mighty hammer. "I shall control the lightning," he boomed, his voice echoing with power. Iron Man, genius, billionaire, playboy, philanthropist, activated his suit's scanners. "I'll try and get a read on the storm's energy source," he said, his voice calm and focused. Hulk, the incredible, always ready for a good smash, cracked his knuckles. "Hulk smash dark monster," he roared. And Black Widow, skilled spy and martial artist, took charge of the situation. "We need to move fast," she said, her voice sharp and efficient. "There are too many civilians in danger." Together, the Avengers split up, each taking a different approach to solving the mystery of the storm of shadows. But all the while, the storm raged on, growing stronger and fiercer with every passing moment. As the Avengers worked to bring an end to the storm, they discovered that it was being controlled by a mysterious villain named Umbra, who fed on fear and chaos. With each terrified scream, with each building plunged into darkness, Umbra grew more powerful. But the Avengers wouldn't let him win. They battled their way through hordes of shadow creatures, each more determined than ever to save the day. Thor, wielding his hammer, Mjolnir called down bolts of lightning, momentarily banishing the shadows. Iron Man, flying through the gloom, unleashed repulsor blasts, each one a miniature sun in the darkness. Hulk, a green blur of muscle and rage, smashed through the creatures, sending them scattering. Black Widow, agile and precise, cut through the shadows with her electric batons, each movement deadly. And then there was Captain America, the first Avenger. With his shield raised, he inspired hope and courage in the hearts of the people. He rallied the others, his voice ringing with determination. "We may be tired and we may be wounded, but we're not giving up. Not while there's still a single person trapped in this darkness. Not while Umbra still casts his shadow over this city. We fight for the light, for the people, for hope itself." Taking a deep breath, Captain America led the charge, his eyes blazing with determination. Together, the Avengers fought back against the forces of Umbra, driving the shadows back, bringing light back to the city. Finally, they reached Umbra himself, who stood atop a building, his form wreathed in darkness. "You cannot defeat me," Umbra boomed, his voice echoing with power. "I am darkness, I am fear, I am the end of all things." But the Avengers stood firm. Thor struck, Iron Man blasted, Hulk smashed, and Black Widow struck with the force of a viper. For a moment, the very sky seemed to crack under the force of their combined might. And then, in a blinding flash, the storm was gone. Light flooded back into the sky, dispelling the shadows forever. As the Avengers stood, surveying the damage, the citizens of the city began to emerge from their hiding places, blinking in the sudden brightness. Cheers erupted, voices ringing with gratitude and relief. And in that moment, as the sun shone brightly in the clear blue sky, the Avengers knew that they had won more than a battle. They had won back the hope and the light for an entire city. They had shown that no darkness, no matter how great, can stand against the light of friendship and courage. And so the tale of the Storm of Shadows became a legend, reminding everyone who heard it that even in the darkest of times, as long as friends stand together, there is always hope for a brighter tomorrow. If you enjoyed this epic Avengers showdown, don't forget to watch our other superhero adventures. And tell us in the comments which Avenger is your favorite and why. Until next time, stay awesome, stay curious, and stay brave.